Have you ever imagined yourself wearing a black hoodie, running scripts with green text on a black screen, and saving the digital world with just few keystrokes? Let's be real, that's how most of us got interested in cybersecurity. Hollywood made it look super cool, mysterious and powerful also. And honestly, it worked. Hi everyone, I'm Akansha. I'm a cybersecurity professional and mentor. If you have ever dreamed of being that hacker, but the good kind, today I'm breaking down exactly how you can start your journey into ethical hacking, even if you're starting from scratch. Forget the myths and the movie magic. This is the real roadmap. So let's dive right in. Ethical hacking is when you test systems, websites, or networks to find security flaws. With permission, of course. The goal is to help the organization fix those issues and vulnerabilities before real attackers find them. You may also hear some alternate terms, including penetration testing or white hat hacking. It points to the same thing. Now, if we talk about eligibility to become an ethical hacker, it's simply anyone with interest in technology and problem solving. That's it. You don't need a computer science degree or a strong technical background to get started with ethical hacking. Although, if you have these, it will open more entry gates for you. But more importantly, it's the willingness to learn, practice, and follow a schedule consistently that helps you become a cybersecurity superhero. So, the very first step, not only in ethical hacking but in any relevant technical skill, would be to start with core IT concepts. In case of ethical hacking, focus on how networks work, IP, DNS ports, operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, especially Linux, basic cybersecurity terms, encryption, firewalls, vulnerabilities, etc. You don't need to go too deep right away, but just get comfortable with how things work. Once you have the basics, learn to use common tools like Nmap for scanning, Wireshark for analyzing traffic, Burp Suite for web testing, Metasploit for exploitation, and some basic scripting using Python or Bash. These are the tools real ethical hackers use every day. Once you have learned the fundamentals and some common tools, next and a very important but overlooked step would be practice with projects. For that, set up home lab with VirtualBox or VMware and use safe environments like DVWA, Damn Vulnerable Web Application, which is a deliberately insecure web app designed for learning and practicing web security. Metasploitable, a purposely vulnerable virtual machine created for practicing penetration testing and ethical hacking. Vulnerable Machines, another platform that offers free downloadable virtual machines packed with real world vulnerabilities. It is perfect for practicing ethical hacking and penetration testing. Moving ahead, some of the certifications that you can take are eJPT, which is a beginner friendly and hands on certification, CompTIA Security Plus, good for foundational knowledge in cybersecurity, Certified Ethical Hacker, which is a well known but a little expensive certification, Offensive Security Certified Professional, more advanced and respected certification for ethical hackers. So you don't need all of them, but choose based on your current level and goals. There are also some amazing platforms out there that not only let you practice everything you have learned, but also connect you with global community of learners, ethical hackers, and professionals. These platforms turn learning into a hands-on social experience. So you're not just studying alone, you're growing alongside others from all over the world. And here is one bonus tip for you that will seriously accelerate your learning. Share your journey. Even if you're just starting out, post what you're learning, whether it's on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or simply a blog. It will keep you motivated and help you track your progress. And also, it generates awesome networking opportunities. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, keep progressing. All the best.